There's a new trend, breaking the internet, called Put a Finger Down Games. Check out these channels. Let's watch this one.
Put a Finger Down Basketball Edition. If you put more than 5 fingers down, you're a true basketball fan. Let's start. Put a finger down if you've ever attempted a buzzer beater shot, whether in a game or just for fun.
These videos are easy to make, using just 2 tools. Stay until the end, I will show you how. Step 1, let's get many scripts for our game. Head over to ChatGPT, the free version will do. Type in this prompt to get our topics. That's a great list of topics. Now let's get the questions for the game. Let's get another one. Repeat this process for all of the topics. Step 2. Let's create the video with just one tool. Now head over to Pictory, with the link in the description. Start with script to video prompt. Give our video a title and paste in our script. Notice I added a couple sentences up front and a call to action at the end. Hit proceed. Inspect the scenes, adjust to your liking. Change this one to a video about a work. The rest look fine. Now, let's add some sound. Filter on ominous. Try this one. Too busy. How about this one? Just right. Select it. Now, let's add a voiceover in VoiceOver tab. You can use a free voice, but I have a paid version and like this one, let's sample it.
Allow the world to live as it chooses, and allow yourself to live as you choose.
Cool, let's apply it. Let's add some captions. I like this one. Hit this button to apply to all. Next, center the caption, then again hit this button to apply to all. Let's change the format to portrait, which is needed for shorts, TikTok, and Reels type videos. Step 3, let's preview our video. Hit the preview button and let's check it all out.
Let's play a game. Start with 10 fingers up. At the end of this game of 15 questions, if you have no fingers up, you are a freaking workaholic. 1. Put a finger down if you've ever worked more than 10 hours in a single day. 2. Put a finger down if you check your work emails during weekends. 3. Put a finger down if you've canceled personal plans due to work commitments. 4. Put a finger down if you've taken your work home more than once in the past month. 5. Put a finger down if you've skipped lunch breaks to catch up on work. 6. Put a finger down if you've had dreams related to your job or workplace. 7. Put a finger down if you've responded to work-related calls or messages while on vacation. 8. Put a finger down if you've ever felt guilty for taking a day off. 9. Put a finger down if you've postponed or canceled vacations because of work. 10. Put a finger down if you've worked on a major holiday. 11. Put a finger down if you've felt stressed about meeting work deadlines. 12. Put a finger down if you've ever brought work to a social gathering. 13. Put a finger down if you've declined social invitations to focus on work. 14. Put a finger down if you've ever thought about work while trying to relax. 15. Put a finger down if you've been praised at work for your dedication or commitment. How did you do? Leave a comment to let me know.
Now, for the next steps. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notify button so you don't miss my upcoming content. Take a moment to drop me a comment, tell me how I am doing, and let me know any content you want to see. Check out our other videos on using AI to make money online. Until next time, bye-bye.